Let that air all the way out and just relax on the table. Here we go. Doesn't that feel okay?
That felt great.
Good. Definitely some tightness in your back. Work must have been a little bit stressful today, huh?
I heard that one.
Deep breath in. Out. Very good.
That was nice.
Okay. Big breath in and out. There you go. Big one.
はい、鼻で大きい。はいはい。よし、いいよ、だ。はい。鼻で大きい。はい。もう一回、息吸って。はいはい。よし、OK、きれいだ。首は100。検査からこのまま持っていったらもう簡単にこうーっていって、ちょん、ちょん、ちょん、ポン。こんな感じで。
Breathe out. And just relax your hip there for me. There we go. Perfect. Did you feel that move?
Yes.
How'd that feel?
Holy moly.
Holy moly. Breathe out for me there. There we go. Did you feel that move?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Perfect. It moves this way. Perfect.
We're just going to ease a few ribs off to the side here. There we go. Now we're going to come through the thoracic area. This will help quiet the sympathetic nervous system and turn on those 100 killer cells to get in there and help finish off whatever's inside your body.
That hurt.
Press harder.
I don't want to hurt it.
See if you press harder.
Oh. I'm sorry.
It doesn't hurt.
I'm sorry.